Good evening, everyone. My name is Shrikant, and I'm here to tell you a story. Beautiful color. The story, it shows that how did we inspire the future generation of hotel industry. Let me introduce you to the Hospitality Ninja. This is a program that teaches kids. They can see how the hoteliers, they work behind the scene, and then we could show the magic, what happens actually at the hotel. This program we introduced in 2022. We had a vision. Is there a way that we can bring the kids from the community to the hotel and create a kind of a family? This program was introduced to bring the kids to show they could step in the shoes of chef, housekeepers, and engineers to see what it's like to work in the hotel.
Oh, wow.
We invited families for a complimentary Ninja Day at initially. Kids decorated dessert, learned housekeeping tricks, and even explored some engineering tools. Parents saw their kids lighting up with excitement, and that's where the magic happened. The word spread quickly, and registrations started to surge. But we did not stop there. We introduced seasonal themes, such as summer workshop, festive activities, and even a Hospitality Ninja passport. That passport was included with a certificate of a stamp which kids could achieve after completing every successful activity. Kids could also graduate as a certified Hospitality Ninja. And they were so happy to share their achievements with their friends and family. This turned the whole program into an unforgettable experience. And last few years, this program has helped hundreds of students to think of a career in a hotel industry. Parents often tell us how their kids talk about becoming future chef or even a general manager someday. On top of that, the whole program was so successful, it grew 200% year on year and helped us strengthen our relationship with the community. Hospitality Ninja is not just a program, this is a movement which helps a future hotelier to dream of becoming a part of a hotel. Thank you so much.